What is 1.2 plus 2.3? The correct answer is option B, 3.5. What is 4.5 minus 1.2? The correct answer is option C, 3.3. What is 2.5 plus 3.1? The correct answer is option C, 5.6. What is 7.8 minus 2.4? The correct answer is option A, 5.4. What is 0.9 plus 1.7? The correct answer is option B, 2.6. What is 5.5 minus 3.2? The correct answer is option C, 2.3. What is 3.3 plus 2.2? The correct answer is option B, 5.5. What is 6.4 minus 1.9? The correct answer is option C, 4.5. What is 2.8 plus 4.2? The correct answer is option C, 7.0. What is 8.5 minus 3.7? The correct answer is option B, 4.8. What is 1.6 plus 3.9? The correct answer is option B, 5.5. What is 7.7 minus 2.8? The correct answer is option B, 4.9.